Now let's see how can we make adjustments to the table. Now if I want to select a column, I will just go on the top of the table. Just select the table first, come within the table, just click on that and then go to the top of the column. You will see this downwards black arrow. Now if you click on this column, the column will be selected. Similarly for the other column, if I want to select this one or I want to select this one, you can simply do that by just clicking on the top. Now if I want to select multiple columns, I will just hold this left click and then start moving towards right. So this is how you can select all the columns, and if you want to select a single column, you can do that as well. Now similarly, if I want to select the row, I'll just go in the corner of the table, just outside the table, and then just click once. You can notice all row is selected. But if I want to select multiple rows, just go in the middle of this row, just outside the table, and just hold that left click and start moving downwards. So this is how you can select the rows. Now if I want to insert a row, you can notice that if I come between the two rows in the corner, you will see a plus sign. If you click on that, immediately the row gets inserted. There you can mention your data. Now these currency signs, I manually inserted them. So I can just put the currency signs. Now if I want to delete the row, I can just simply click on the corner to select it first and then right click, and you will see this option delete rows. Just click on that and row gets deleted. Now if I want to insert multiple rows, just click on the corner and then just start clicking plus sign. So you can insert many rows. Similarly, if you want to bulk delete rows, you can just hold the left click. And then start moving upwards, and then simply right click and click delete rows. Now similarly, if I want to insert a column, I should go to the top of now similarly, if I want to delete the column or insert the column, now similarly, if I want to insert a column, I'll just go in the middle of two columns on the top. You can see this plus sign. When I click on that, I can insert as many columns as I want. And similarly, if I want to delete the column, the first step is selecting it. So I'll just go on the top. When I see this down arrow key, I'll just click on this and start selecting, and then right click and click delete columns. So just practice that, because this is very important point. When you practically create a table, you need to make some adjustments, right?